Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the mileage calculator in the GoFare application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Falcon Flyer members section, click on the mileage calculator button. So the way you use this function is you have to select your departure airport first. And then you have to select the destination as well. And then you have to set the travel class that you're traveling with. And once you've done everything, just click on the calculate button. And as you can see, here are the travel class options, also the miles and the points calculated for you. So according to that, you can just book your flight. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.